Well, okay, everybody, we made it. We are here at Volusia Speedway, somewhere near the east coast of Florida. State Road 40, west of Interstate 95. Wait. We are parked in the back because they got reserved spots here that are up there. Tracks up there where the stands are. And anyway, we were in a big rain delay. We sat out in the front for probably over an hour while it rained and rained and rained here. And I'll tell you, I'm really surprised that it's not a disaster mud-wise. So pretty decent drainage. We'll see how the track turns out. That wooden ramp up there, I walked up it and I won't do it again. I about slipped 3 or 4 times. So I've heard people been walking up the grass. They go up that way. Anyway, so we got the car ready. One thing that we found that we need to fix, we had a little dent right there where that stop hit the night that the axle broke. We got the torsion bar in there. I'm not sure if it's going to really hinder anything. I don't think it will for tonight, but we're going to get with Mr. Keith Butler and see if he can't make that right for us. Get that tube round again. So anyway, so 2M is ready to roll, and we're gonna be going out for hot laps soon, and we'll let you know how things are looking. See you then. Got it locked in? Yeah. All right. Here we go. the channel, 83 Racing of Florida. We just pulled up here at Brian's place. We're gonna get the pavement car ready tomorrow night. So anyway, those of you that don't know what happened, I haven't been on in a while because I lost my phone. Phone is in the bottom of the Alafaya River. Yeah, you heard it right. That sucks. Anyway, be back here in a minute. I guess I need to turn this here. I don't know how it's going to show up on this phone using my iPhone 14. So I guess this will be a practice session. So anyway, be back shortly. All right, well, here she is, getting her ready for 50 laps of feature racing this weekend. We don't have a heat race. So we got practice, and then right into features this week, tomorrow night, Monday night at Showtime Speedway. Brian says he's ready to take home all the money.
All the money.
All the money. And we don't care that Davey Hamilton isn't going to be there because we'll beat him anyway. So. All right, we're gonna get the belly pan on. Oil looks good, so we'll be back. All right, well, here we are. It's in the box. All ready to go. Get after it tomorrow. Brian says top 5. I said, I don't mind. He said he's ready.
Let's roll.
Ready for top 5. So here we go. We'll see you later.